industry, and on and on. And you're at that point where you're taking a close look at that here at Saul. We have something unique in this state, and we're proud to be talking about it and honor that, and to come back where you've made really important investments in facilities that allow for contemporary production and discussions to occur is a proud day. So congratulations on behalf of the Department of Agriculture. We appreciate what you're doing, but we also appreciate even more the work that you do in the years to come for both yourselves and the pride that you have in your community, but this city and this state. So thank you all for being here.
Thank you, Secretary Redding, for those inspiring words, and your presence here today really means a lot. I'd like to bring up Ms. Lisa Perkins from Pam Delicio's office. Pam Delicio is our state rep from the 194th Legislative District. And as you've heard mentioned before, she is like our biggest fan, super advocate. We love her and she loves us. We're not going to keep that quiet either because she's amazing, but so is Lisa Perkins from Pam Delicio's office. Thank you for coming today.
So, of all of the ribbon cuttings that Pam would not want to miss, this is for sure one of them. But she's in Harrisburg this morning. Those here from Saul know what a tremendous supporter she is and how proud she is to represent the only agricultural high school in the state, one of 3 in the nation. She loves being called the city rep and touting the advances and successes of the students of her agricultural high school, part of the School District of Philadelphia, to her colleagues in Harrisburg. Pam remembers when a few years ago the principal at the time, Tamara Conaway, was looking for ways to highlight how unique and special WB Saul was, but I think then it was actually called the Sheep Barn, I guess now since it's called the Sheep Shack, was leaking and it was in need of repair. Superintendent Height was new at the time, and he was called out to the scene for a tour and to show him firsthand what an asset he had in this school. Pam remembers telling Dr. Height that she was pretty sure that she was going to be the only legislator he would ever hear from requesting support for a sheep barn repair. Well, he was so impressed by the behavior of the sheep and what he learned and saw that the school received those repairs to the roof at that time. Since WB Saul then put in for a capital improvement plan for the barn, and here we are today celebrating here. Representative Delicio is so pleased for the support for this extremely important asset. The agricultural industry is the #1 industry in the Commonwealth. It has been reported that in the near future, tens of thousands of positions will be needed in a variety of fields, literally and figuratively, for those seeking careers in agriculture. WB Saul's purpose is to prepare students to be successful in a variety of such careers, and this investment assists Saul's success in reaching, teaching, and preparing students to become our future farmers. We'd also like to acknowledge Saul's successful private-public partnerships that the school has established with namely Mid-Atlantic Ag Credit Union for their assistance in providing the school with a new van for transporting students, and New Holland, who partnered with the school to paint the barn. These types of partnerships strengthen Saul's success with additional resources. So again, thank you for allowing me to speak on behalf of State Representative Pam Delicio, who couldn't be more thrilled that this groundbreaking sheep barn raising event is taking place today.
Thank you, Ms. Perkins. This is a groundbreaking sheep barn raising event indeed, and it would not be such an event without the teachers and the students who make it possible to do the work we do here every single day. We do amazing work here. We have amazing students. I love all of you. You're the best in the city, and I say that confidently, and I've been a lot of places. And to my teaching team, you are amazing. We could not do this work without you. You bring it 150% every single day. And one of the teachers here who is going to speak to you now brings it 150% all day, every day. Her name is Miss Gail Costello, everybody. Extraordinaire. Here's your mic, ma'am. That's a lot to live up to. First of all, the students who have had me for classes where we work with the sheep, I hope that you understand that one thing in confidence, these are not my sheep. I would not be raising sheep, would not be petting sheep. No, I do this because of you guys, because I've seen you get excited and feel responsible for not only the animals, but for your education and your future. That's why I do this. That's why I used to sleep in the meats lab to be able to lamb during nor'easters in the shack. I'm so excited that the district and the state and the Department of Agriculture all tuned in to YouTube, EWE, to see what you were doing with the resources that we had. And they were impressed. And everybody wants a piece of what you guys have done at Saul High School. And that's going out not to only the current students, but to the staff who may not yet have a camera in their classrooms showing the amazing things that you do. It goes out to the retired staff that have come today, that have put in hours and hours of their lives for Saul High School. It goes out to the administrative support staff that help us get through the paperwork to get you to the places where you can show the rest of the state what we do. It also goes out to our graduates and alumni, and we have quite a few here today who have survived the shack. The new kids will never understand where we came from. We'll try and give them a little piece of the struggle, though, so that they can learn the same sense of pride and community and accomplishment that you guys have experienced here. To the new staff coming into Saul High School, you're breathing new life for all of these kids and new opportunities. And this barn is just an edifice that stands as a symbol of the respect that Saul High School has in the eyes of so many people across the city, the district, the community. And I'm just proud to have a little piece of being here when it's happening. So I want to step back very quickly and pass it off to the students who really understand what this has meant for them. I'm going to start with one of our co-presidents who are going to be representing us for the ribbon cutting, and I'm going to start with Emily Singer.
Hi everyone. So my name is Emily Singer. This is Nicole Lorenz, and we are your co-presidents for Philadelphia FFA 2019-2020. So as an animal science major, I have plenty of experience with the sheep shack, and it's called a sheep shack for a reason. So any other animal science majors, you know that was rough times. But at Saul, we really strive to give our animals the best quality of life, and now with this new barn, we can really do that. And so I'm really glad about that. I'm really excited to work there too. It's definitely nice not to be rained on. Now, while I'm really excited about it, probably not as excited about it as Nicole, who basically lives there. So I'm gonna give it off to my fellow co-president.
My name is Nicole, as Emily said, and I have spent many hours here at Saul in the barn. In fall, the last 3 years, I've raised a market lamb. In spring, for the last 8 years, probably. Yeah, about 8 years, I have helped with lambing. So, like Miss Kay, I was here in the lab, or in the snowstorms. And this summer, I was able to be the student farmer for the livestock, and I was I got the opportunity to watch this barn be built. So I'm really thankful to have a new barn, and I'm really thankful that I get to have at least 1 year in it. And thank you guys for all coming, and thank you for the people who helped us build this. I would like to introduce Alex, who is the other student farmer, my other half.
So, I'm Alex. Nicole and I have spent many days, many hours in the shack together during lambing over the summer. Lovely days. And I'm just super excited to have 4 walls and a roof that is intact. And I raise my own farm show projects at another farm, and I'm jealous. But yeah, I'm really excited to raise a pig in this barn, and it just looks really pretty. So yeah, thank you guys for coming out. And here's Chris Alexander.
Hi, I'm Chris Alexander, and I'm in 10th grade, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out today. I want to thank the school district for coming out here, and I just really am thankful for the new barn and my farm show sheet this year, and hopefully many years more to spend here with the rest of the people that I work with. Now I'm gonna hand it off to Principal Dunn.
Thank you, everybody. That was very, very well done. And now I think it is time to cut the ribbon. So we need Secretary Redding, we need Dr. Height, we need the kids, and Miss Kay up here to use these very, very large scissors. There are 2 pair up here. We're going to go over there and cut the ribbon on the count of 3 with all of you counting with us.
Safety first, okay?
Cut the ribbon! Moving up more.
Yes, we're all moving in.
Oh, this feels a lot better. We have a counter right here.
3,
We can't see Secretary.
2, 1.
3.
Cut.